Are you looking for a simple way to add more health benefits to your daily routine? Turmeric tea might be the answer. In just 5 easy steps, I'll show you how to make this delicious and nourishing drink that's packed with incredible health benefits. Whether you're new to turmeric tea or already a fan, this recipe will become a favorite in no time. Turmeric tea has been a trusted remedy for centuries, known as a golden elixir for good reason. Its vibrant yellow color comes from curcumin, a compound celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Many people drink it to boost their immunity, ease digestion, and even improve skin health. But making the perfect cup of turmeric tea can feel tricky if you don't know where to start. That's where this guide comes in to make it easy and enjoyable to begin. Gather your ingredients. You will need turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root, ginger, black pepper, lemon, and a natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Each ingredient plays a key role in enhancing the flavor and maximizing the health benefits. For example, adding black pepper significantly improves the absorption of curcumin, while lemon adds a refreshing tang and boosts vitamin C. The first step is boiling water in a small pot. Once the water reaches a gentle boil, add freshly grated ginger and turmeric powder. Stir everything well to let the ingredients blend together. Allow it to simmer on low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This step helps extract all the beneficial compounds while filling the kitchen with a warm, earthy aroma. Next, strain the tea into a cup using a fine mesh strainer. Now comes the fun part: customizing your tea. Add a pinch of black pepper to unlock turmeric's full potential. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice for a zesty kick, and sweeten with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup to suit your taste. Stir everything together, and your golden tea is ready to enjoy. As you take your first sip, notice the comforting warmth and vibrant flavors of this soothing drink. Not only is turmeric tea a delight for your taste buds, but it also offers amazing benefits. It can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and provide a natural energy boost. Drinking it regularly can be a simple yet powerful way to support your overall well-being. This easy recipe is perfect for anyone looking to live a healthier lifestyle. Plus, it's versatile. You can experiment with adding cinnamon, coconut milk, or even a dash of cayenne pepper to make it your own. The possibilities are endless, so don't be afraid to get creative. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family so they can enjoy the benefits of turmeric tea too. Together, we can inspire healthier habits and create a positive ripple effect. Finally, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more health and wellness tips, and leave a comment below with your favorite way to enjoy turmeric tea. I'd love to hear your ideas and try them out too.